everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, dark circles. Whether it's late nights, stress, or just genetics, those pesky dark circles can be a real pain. But don't worry, I've got some amazing home remedies that can help brighten up those under-eye bags. So let's get started. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly talk about why we get dark circles. Common causes include lack of sleep, dehydration, allergies, and even the natural aging process. Understanding the cause can help you choose the right remedy. Now, let's explore some effective home solutions. First up, we have the classic cucumber slices. Cucumbers are cooling and can help reduce puffiness. Simply slice a cucumber, place the slices over your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes, and relax. The antioxidants in cucumbers also help lighten the skin. Next, let's talk about tea bags. Whether you prefer green or black tea, both are rich in antioxidants and caffeine, which can help constrict blood vessels and reduce dark circles. Just steep 2 tea bags in hot water, let them cool in the fridge, and place them over your eyes for about 15 to 20 minutes. Another fantastic remedy is almond oil. It's packed with vitamin E, which is great for your skin. Just take a few drops of almond oil, gently massage it under your eyes before bedtime, and leave it on overnight. You'll wake up with brighter eyes. Did you know potatoes can also help? They contain enzymes that lighten skin. Slice a potato and place the slices on your eyes for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also grate a potato, squeeze out the juice, and soak a cotton pad in it to apply under your eyes. Last but not least, let's use cold milk. The lactic acid in milk can help lighten dark circles. Soak a cotton ball in cold milk, place it on your closed eyes, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water afterward. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos.